What is up, investors? Jason here. So we have a lot going on over in the crypto space as far as green. I'm seeing a lot of green right now. I'm seeing many of these altcoins now starting to break out, but we're still not seeing the same thing happen with Cardano. Cardano's still moving along where it's been at for several days now. And I think that at any moment we're going to be seeing the price of Cardano really break out. Like I've been saying, the price prediction that I have, I could see Cardano going back to its highs that it was at in early September. Here, probably within the end of this month or by early next month. And that $3.10 resistance there that it does need to surpass to really break out and get Cardano moving up to a price of about $5, $7, or even $10 is very possible. But first, we need to break out from where we're currently at. This 235 resistance where we're sitting at, we really need to get above that. Now, I'll get into a whole technical analysis of what's going on, as well as I want to also take a quick look at the whole altcoin space and get a good idea of what we're currently seeing. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. It helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread these videos to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, looking at the whole crypto space, of course, we've had a really nice run with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but now we're starting to see a bit of a breakout with some of these altcoins, which is what we really needed to happen. So to look at what is currently going on with Cardano, the current price is $2.27. And when we look at what we're really looking at here, we're still sitting within this support and this resistance. This support that we're staying within is $2.15, and the resistance that we're maxing out at is $2.35. That's what we need to get over and find support above it. Now, these are very important support and resistance. Now, if we were to look at the history here of how things have been performing in the past, just to give you guys an idea, this price of this 235 was the max resistance area where we had back in May when we were on a bull run and we couldn't find support above after we had surpassed that 235. So to give you guys just a general idea of how things do work here with Cardano, when Cardano does it does have these big breakout points like we've seen back in the past when the price of Cardano had stayed between the price of $1 and $1.50 all the way from February, pretty much all the way until August. And even though we did have a little bit of a breakout, we weren't able to find that 235 support. So the big thing here is that as we did go on this bull run and then we passed that 235, that got us up to our next major spot, and that is at $3.10. So that's where we're holding a lot of resistance at the moment, is at 310. And these are numbers that are going to be very important. So I know a lot of people are saying other resistance areas are what we need to be overcoming. But no, really, if we were to look at the history, 235 is the price that Cardano will most likely have its next breakout. That's why it's holding so tightly within 235. Now, another thing that I also want to be pointing out is how well Cardano is holding right now within the support and resistance. When we had looked at the Alonzo update and how it was holding strong with support over that 235, the thing was that when it fell through, there's still a lot of catalysts that are really helping hold it where it's currently at, especially since we had the Cardano Summit that had followed soon after the Alonzo update. And we got a lot of details about what was coming out. And that's a really big driving point for Cardano, is that there are all these catalysts to be looking forward to. And so I think when we do get some sort of news that comes out, or just even bigger performance coming from Bitcoin and Ethereum, that could really also help out Cardano a lot. But I think that the stability that is currently showing within the current prices, one, I think that's great. I think that that's really a good sign about a breakout being possible. And I think it's really realistic to say that it could easily go back to that $3.10. And within this time frame that I'm saying, by the end of October or by the beginning of November. And this trajectory here, it doesn't need to be accurately following this trajectory, obviously, because that's not the way it's going to work. But I really think that we are going to see some sort of growth within within this type of performance, like how we had seen the price drop. What would be nice is if we do see the type of performance that we got when we did break through these previous resistance and how we saw the price go up so fast. Now, I'm not going to say we're going to get something like that happening, because a lot that led into all this behavior was the Alonzo update, was the Cardano summit. So what we're really waiting for now is to see all this stuff really take effect, and that all that stuff that's been priced in really show what it can do, and that's how we can be able to see the price really skyrocket from there. But when we do surpass this 310, I do want to make it clear too, is that the road to 310 starts at 235. The road to $5 starts at 310. And then if we're going to go anywhere above that, if we're going to go to $7 or even $10, which I think is another really good possibility, and that's something we could probably get to possibly even within the next few months. All that is leading up to where we're currently at. It's just seeing how everything is going to go at this moment. Now, seeing how Cardano has been holding steadily within that support and resistance, it has also allowed Cardano to retake the throne of the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Now, we saw BNB recently trend up a bit, and it had surpassed the market cap of Cardano, but now with it having a little bit of pullback, it's allowed Cardano to now retake its throne without really needing to do much at all to retake it. Now, I think Cardano having that third spot is really going to be helping out things with the bullish behavior. So with all that being said, I'd like to hear what your guys' thoughts are. Do you guys think that we're going to be seeing Cardano getting to the price of $3 and above by the end of October or by early November? I'd like to know what your thoughts are. And what do you guys think about when are we going to be getting to the price of $5 or even the price of $10 with Cardano? Let me know that in the comments section as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.